hobby.
Deep impact sockets, and you get the kids' workbench. That thing I've been looking for years because they came out a while ago.
What, one of these?
These, and then they just bringing them back again.
What are you gonna do with it? I'd give it to my little
Fucking give it to somebody, man. Give it to a kid. Put it in my.
Put it in your kitchen.
Or metric wrenches, heel bars, pipe plug sockets. Buy any one of those 3, and you get this wooden crate. Comes with a screwdriver that you need to open the crate. 4 beer glasses, 4 coasters, bottle opener, 2 decks of cards, and dice case.
You play chicken.
Snap-on interchangeable fucking screwdriver.
Oh, you got the PT850 yard light. Does it just shoot like S's everywhere?
Yes.
It does, doesn't it?
Well,
this thing is awesome.
they're like bows.
That thing's so cool.
It's just a cool box.
It is a cool box.
Have you,
I saw it last week. Did not post a video.
We don't really do many seals. That's for like seals and stuff, right?
Well, the heel bars, I guess. I mean, lady, or what do they call like heel, like
heel
head pry bar set, or lady slippers, or whatever the fuck they want to call them.
Ladies.
Lady slippers. They couldn't make a better name for it, I guess. All the promo stuff on the truck,
What are you
eh?
talking about?
Oh, the proper name for these pry bars.
Heel bars?
Heel bars.
Some people call them lady foot bars.
Lady foot bar, yeah, lady slippers or whatever the fuck they call them. Yeah.
Oh, I got an air ratchet. It's an old Blue Point one. I don't know if it. Do you grease those or do you service them or anything like that? I haven't done anything to it.
The only thing you can do is put oil in through the air motor and through the air fitting.
Okay.
Is that what you're asking me about, like a maintenance?
No, I'm talking like the head, like just anything in the
Doesn't have
ratchet
a grease
component.
fitting.
Okay.
Why, is it still working?
Yeah, it's still working. It just gets really hot and it gets really slow.
Oh.
So it's just kind of, I don't know if it's gonna bind up.
What's going on, Brad? Oh.
The head that gets...
Yeah.
I bought a set of 3, so I have like even a smaller one than that.
So, like this little guy? I don't use
Yeah.
tons, but when I do, comes like that.
I think so. Yes. Yeah, I have all 3. I bought them in like a kit though.
I think I would only need this one.
I use all of them.
I got my long one, and I just need one that's a little shorter sometimes. Do you guys leave it?
Oh, yeah, like bent needle nose pliers.
They're helpful for the clamps, hose clamps and stuff. I got the longer ones.
Yes, I have longer. No. I have the old like Mac ones. Oh, oops, we don't say that word on
Ew. Gross, dude.
I know.
Don't say the
I
L
felt
word.
dirty.
I'm surprised you even admit to such a thing.
That's gross.
Well, I have replaced a few, and then I was giving my my old ones. Every time I'd replace a plier, I'd give it to Hunter. That was a mistake, obviously.
He's gone now.
Because where's Hunter now?
Gave him all your stuff and he's just gone.
Yeah. Hey, you got those ones?
Yeah, I have these ones. Man, it's crazy how different new pliers feel.
Yeah.
After you worn them in, they're like so hard to open.
Well, I lost
They're
my
stiff.
long side cutters. I don't know where they are. I'm gonna hold out until I buy a new pair.
Those are on sale.
I know they're somewhere in the shop.
They're on sale.
It's probably on my bench. You see how messy my
probably.
bench is right now.
Probably is on your bench.
Yep.
You need to clean up once in a while, bud.
I know. I know. I'm just so fucking busy that I can't. I mean, I know I should, but. What about Jessica?
What?
I said, what about Jessica?
It's a push-pull spring tool, so you can, whether you're using brake springs or sledders, use them for the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
On the exhaust, there's these springs that hold the exhaust system together.
Just yeah. I've just never seen that.
So you can push on a spring, or you can hook it in here and pull it.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's for springs and whatnot. Cool.
Every snowmobiler needs one of those. Never seen one of those.
Won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Yeah.
And I mean no offense by that.
No, I totally get it.
What's that?
It's a large trade.
So you buying a box or what? Buy that guy.
Yeah, I'll just do it now. Impulse buy. Why not? Everybody's got one.
Yeah, everyone else is doing it, man.
Well, the cool kids are doing it.
Yeah.
Buying boxes?
Yeah. You know you're the only non-snap-on toolbox in there.
I know. My toolbox was like $20. It's bad. It sucks.
Just fucking tool pushers.
Buy a snap-on box and I'll give you your $20 back. Cash.
Yes, cash then all.
Cash money.
Cold hard tender.
Cold hard tender. I like your dick when you leave it out in the snow. Oh, that's member. Sorry.
Demonetized.
Oh no, nothing stops that. Except for maybe this Christmas music. We'll see. See when I upload it. It's gonna say
They're on the back.
you have several
Yeah.
copyright claims
Barely even
against
hearing
you
about
for like Winter in Wonderland and
What you wanted.
fucking garbage crap Christmas music.
Yeah. They make it so hard.
They do. That's why I've been using Jesse's music.
28 sockets.
28 spots.
Jesse is the new music of the station because
buddy.
I don't get copyright claims against me.
Ah,
That's why I use all
the house band.
He's the house band now. Yeah. Quite literally the house band now. Yeah.
Who did this?
Yep, wasn't me. I'll tell you that much right now. Oh, look at this. They added to this thing now, Jesse.
Where's that? No.
They got it for the windshield now.
Hey Jesse,
Oh,
do you want black or red?
Yeah, but I need that.
That's so much better, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I don't need it for another 3 months.
You want black or red? For your socket holders.
Black.
You don't need that right now. I might get it though. That's pretty cool.
Nah, yeah, I'm just gonna get it.
Oh no! You know what?
Then it's not permanently mounted anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing?
Oh, but then I can put the. I guess I could still put the this guy. No, not that. This guy's still on it too,
Yeah.
Oh.
right?
Yep.
So you have to.
I wonder if I
permanently
should
have
do that.
on your phone though.
This one, yeah, you have to have it like on a case or on your phone, right?
Oh.
Got the little ball, yeah, the little button.
Or instead of using the
Oh,
little
just
button,
the button.
you use that.
Oh, I have that. Yeah.
So this sticks to there.
To the ball.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
yeah,
you and I,
yeah, yeah,
you and
I
I
got
both
that.
have this, right?
No, I've got
Oh, you don't
the
have
thing
it?
he just showed. So I got the
Oh.
ball, and then I got this.
Yeah.
So I have this in my truck too, but it's kind of in the.
So you have the ball mounted on your dash somewhere?
I do.
Yeah.
And I have one ball on my windshield, but it still doesn't angle my phone right to do video. When I'm doing like off-roading,
like when you're doing
I like to
off-roading.
just, I just like to film it.
Yeah, so this at least, yeah, 'cause it's a straight view out your window.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool actually. Makes sense. A lot of people when I got these things, they were like, I can get those things from the dollar store and they're just as good quality. I'm like, yeah, you go right ahead. And then they went and as you see, they just like flop down all the time. And they're like, this thing's a fucking piece of shit.
The magnet on these are insane.
Yeah, I mean, sure, you can go elsewhere and buy cheap knockoff stuff, you bet.
Cheaper isn't always better.
Is it going to provide frustration and anger?
Oh, look at that.
A light up level.
Nice. And it's magnetic. That's cool.
Cool.
Everyone's always wondering what's in this crate now.
Which what?
The crate. I just see comments on the collector's site. What's in the crate?
Oh, well, there you go.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Right there.
4 mugs, 4 coasters, bottle opener, 2 decks of cards, a dice cup, and a screwdriver.
It's cool.
It's cool.
Nice little
Those
gift
cups have each
gift set.
each logo, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway,
Here he is.
I think it's. Oh, we got everyone on the truck. We're gonna get in trouble. We're gonna get in trouble. All right, guys. We're gonna head back into the shop.
Yes.
Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. It's been one of those days, I tell you. New manager. Well, you guys already heard me talking about it in my repair video, which I still have the engine sitting here. We're waiting for my head to return from the machine shop. So anyway, while that's getting done, and I'm fighting to make hours right now, it's we're going through lots of changes. So it's a rough, rocky start for everybody here. Anyway, you guys saw the truck stuff. We finally got to see what was in the box. What else did I get? Oh, I got these exhaust hanger pliers. I've been dropping a lot of exhausts lately. It just seems every time I do a differential or something on a Santa Fe, you got to drop the exhaust. So these things I've been kind of wondering about for a while. Been kind of wanting to get a pair. So today I haven't bought anything in a while, so I bit the bullet and just bought them. They seem really simple, and they kind of just they push the hanger out of the rubber mount. So I look forward to using them. I've heard really good things about them. I heard they work really well. So I don't know the price on them. I don't get paper receipts anymore. Just emails. Tyler just emails them to me, and I look at them later. Really. So I don't think that they're fairly inexpensive. So I will put a price up. I know people fucking always, Joel, you got to see the prices. We got to see the prices. Well, okay, fine. I'll show you the price. I got this actually last week. I didn't show anybody because I was didn't make a video last week. I did, but I didn't at the same time. Oh, hold on. Tyler's got a bunch of these. He cleaned out a bunch of his stuff on his truck, and he found all these. So I got a whiteboard. Looks like a pair of pliers. Says Snap-on it. There's a part number on it, and you know, got the little whiteboard felt pen and stuff. So I'm gonna put that in my office, write down ideas and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you. He also, let's put this back so I can take it home. He also gave me, put that away. He also gave me all the Halloween decorations from the truck from October. So I got all those. Those are all going to go up in my office. Something cool. Anyway, I like them. So yeah. So thank you, Tyler, for everything. I always appreciate it anytime you give me something cool like that. So I really do appreciate it. So other than that, guys, you guys have seen the stickers that are now selling on Teespring. There is a link right there. You guys can check those out. You guys can get those. It is just my logo, obviously. You can see it's just my logo, and just the skull and cross wrenches. And it's one of those things that Teespring, I can do with Teespring now. So that's pretty cool because I'm a vendor there. And yeah, all my shirts and all that kind of stuff for Snap-on collectors and Snap-on tool reviewer are all there. You guys can go check all that stuff out. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.